box and press enter. A black and white window will open where you will type all and press enter. There is a space between command type interface IP set address, IP net, Wi-Fi static. Type interface IP set address name. Type interface IP set show complete edge address name Wi-Fi DHCP DNS Wi-Fi bits typing C. Your IP address would be the IP for address.